Today I'm going to introduce one of very useful functions to manipulate the string. If you have an iterable argument, one of the iterable arguments is a list. So you have a list M, E, R, C, right? Join each of the element in the list with a space. This is open and close. There is no space. You get this, then it'll be joined. Each letter. And it'll be mercy. Okay. Similarly, is for example, mercy is a one-word string, can be split. Actually, split takes an arguments. All right. If you don't have anything, then there is a space. So if there is no space, then you don't have this. If you have a space in between, then print. If you have a list of each character of a mercy, then it can be joined. And if you have a one string and space in between, and then if we split it based upon space, then you will have MERCY in this is a given. If you want to make M space E space R space C space Y from the list of MERCY, then you need to have here one space. Same thing like this. All right. Split join therefore can be used in many good given words and this one character. Okay, first of all, S. What is the binary code of this S? In order to that, then you need to have odd number of S, and this odd number should be into format. And then if we want to convert it to binary, and then let's say that is binary code, and then print S. This is it. This is character S, binary code of character S. If you see here, binary code, that is 1 1, so 1 0, 1 0, 0 1 1, which means a 7-bit long. If you want to make this 1 byte long, which is 8-bit, then what you can do here is that instead of B, if you say 08, then it'll be up to 8-bit long. As you can see here, this is simple 7-bit binary, but in this case 8 bits. What if you want to have, for example, send this? How can you make this? Convert each character to binary code. But if you want to make continually and then join them all together, then we use this join operation. So what we can do is open and close the quote and then join this. This whole thing should be done for each of those. So for X in word, but this X should come here. I wanna this for each character in given sentence. I wanna convert that the odd number and then convert in the format, and then each one of those should be each of this binary code needs to be joined. As you see here, first M, this is M, as you can see here. Okay. And then even space is converted to the binary. So in this way, join is one of the useful method that you can use. Another thing that you can use for split that is also possible. For example, if you want to read this and then split it, how can you use it? You can do it, for example, with open this file as I want to say it F. Okay, and this file is, and finally join split.py, and I want to use it only for read. So I open file, and then for each line in F, if I want to have print line dot split, for each line of this, I want to make, for example, the first line joined. If it is given one line, how can you see the word? If there is a space, then there is a separate word. So joined, if I show this, then we see clearly there is a space, right? This is one element of the list. This is the second, and then this one quote, that is one word, another quote, and dot join all the way from there. And for example, this is one word. So in that case, we use split. Okay, so split and join, those two functions are useful, can be used in many ways. Simply, you can see, you can join a list of each character into a combined word, or you can split it also. All right.